Why do 90% of aviation fans say America leads in fighter jets? Is it the tech, the legends, or something more? Let's break down the top 5 and find out. At number 5, the F-16 Viper. Born in the 1970s but with upgraded radars and precision weapons, this jet is the most widely used fighter worldwide. It's fast, reliable, and always mission-ready. Number 4, the F-18 Super Hornet. The backbone of the U.S. Navy. Designed for aircraft carriers, it's proven itself in every major conflict for over 20 years. Versatile, powerful, and always in the fight. In third, the F-15EX Eagle II. Meet the heavyweight champion. It carries more weapons than any other U.S. jet, combining classic muscle with modern avionics. Number 2, the F-35 Lightning II. America's stealth superstar. Its high-tech helmet, sensors, and stealth design make it a global powerhouse few can rival. But at number 1, the F-22 Raptor. The ultimate air-to-air predator. With unmatched agility and stealth, the Raptor still rules the skies, and it's exclusive to the U.S. bonus round. The NGAD, America's 6th-generation jet, is on the horizon, bringing AI, drone teaming, and hypersonic speed. The future is nearly here. Which jet is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.